Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design transformation tool called Mirror. You also learn the several ways to invoke this tool. This part design transformation tool is called Mirror. The part design mirror tool mirrors one or more features. It is used to mirror one or more features about the axis or the plane. Here you find the several ways to invoke the part design mirror tool and the steps to apply the mirror tool. First, activate the body to apply the mirror to if there are two or more bodies in the document. And set the parameters in the dialog window. In this part of presentation, you find the definitions of the mirror options like mode and mirror plane. Transform body means transform the whole body, and transform shape means transform the individual shapes. This picture shows the option transform shape. Only the whole is about the axis be transformed. In the following examples, I will show you the application of the part design mirror tool on different objects. Here, I have 3 bodies to show you the different option applications. Activate the first body and hide the others. Press directly the mirror tool or use the second option from Part Design menu. The body mirrored automatically about the XY plane. I will keep the transformation mode as it is, and I will change the mirror axis to YZ plane. You can select the YZ plane or one of the face of the body. In this example, only the whole will be mirrored. Unhide the first body and activate the second body. Press directly the mirror tool. Select Transform Tool Shapes mode. And select YZ plane to mirror the whole. As you see, only the whole is mirrored. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In this example, I will show you the application of the part design mirror tool with different mirror planes. Activate the third body. Select the YZ plane. Select Reference Plane or any face. You can use any face as a mirror plane. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Transform tool Mirror in FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.